Hey guys, it's Meowster Millie and welcome to another video. And if you notice, Charlie is sadly not with me. I could not free him from the clutches of the river. However, I will keep trying and hopefully Charlie will once again join us on our adventures as we go about in the world. However, today we are going to see if we can find a memory with the help of our trusty camera that I don't seem to know how to function today. So, I don't know why, but I decided to come here. Because this place looked slightly familiar. The last time when I was streaming, so let's see if any memories pop up walking around in the fields. So search these guys since there's a quest for that. There was something over here. Oh, look, another horse. Sorry, horse, but you cannot release Charlie. Ooh, spicy peppers. Spicy peppers. I don't know if, like, I'm supposed to just walk up on something and it's supposed to just appear, or what's supposed to really happen. No. Unlike these guys who just start picking up things and wailing on me. Yes, I will take that. Thank you. Hanging up with me on the skeletons. Not cool, guys. Not cool. Again, I will take your parts. Thank you very much. Now I just feel like I'm wandering around a field for no reason. That's okay. I got a really big sword out of the deal. Let's look at the pictures again, see if maybe we can find something. Work with me. Thank you. Supposed to like save. This looks oddly like exactly like the other one, but you know, broken. But hey, maybe I was wrong. Yeah, I don't have any captured memories. Sorry. What is this? Sneaky river snail. Well, he wasn't very sneaky. He was like green. You might as well, right? Heh heh heh. Oh, ow. Alright, I should eat. A soldier's shield. Oh, no. I want that. I need a better. When I want it to not happen, it happens, but when that was just mean. Alright. Yeah, I know Charlie cannot come. It's very sad for everybody. What am I doing? There should be a, there we go. Soda shield. Da, 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 da. Guess I gotta kill you off. Oh, and you too. Here we go. Suddenly I've forgotten how to block. You know? That one ability that you're supposed to be able to do. That's probably why I die so much. What is this? What's this? What's this? I won't sing this song very much. Can't help but sing. I got some opal. Hooray! Now I'm looking at the sky. Alright. I don't know where to go. And if it starts lightning, I'm gonna die. Because I have too much metal on. Oh, hello. Excuse me. Guess this is the episode where I wander around aimlessly and try to find things. Sounds about right. Hey, I'm collecting some pretty cool stuff. And yay, it stopped raining. I wonder how many gears that is. If you're able to count how many gears that is without going back into my live stream at any point in time, if you were just able to count, you know, during, tell me. Or, you know, during the YouTube video, you know. Just tell me. Depending on what platform you view. Let's try a different approach. There's Charlie. Why don't we, instead of looking for the memories, go ahead and go and put it on this one. That way we're at least looking for something. Isn't there one in each region? Okay, it wants me to go up north first, apparently. We shall do our best. Fight along the way. If you have any expertise on getting gear, again, let me know in the comments. I've done a little bit of research, and everybody has a different opinion, just like in every game. But I want to know yours. So I don't know if going and relying off of these guys is going to go well forever. I saw one post where going straight to the end was how you were going to get the best. I don't necessarily want the best, I just want a new shirt, you know? This boy's gotta change his shirt. Charlie. Sweet Charlie boy, dun dun dun. How we miss you. You abandoned us in your time of need. I'm gonna land on a weird river raft. Probably gonna get eaten by a large toad or something. Alright. Come on, you can do this. I am believing in you. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that little fox. Don't attack me. I see a tower! Yay! We're going in the right direction. This is a very pretty bridge. Come on, memory. Just kidding. Bridge of Hylia. I'm just gonna skip across it. Got a song in my heart and a skip in my step. Here we go. Aw, look at the fountain. So pretty. I have a feeling I'm gonna regret how pretty I think everything is. Yep, I see it already. I see the regret. I don't know if you guys see the regret, but I see it. It's ahead. Really should cook some food. I don't wanna. Alright. Trying to remember how to block here. It's not working. Okay. Well. Here we go. For fun. Yeah. Blow your horn. Let's take the spear. Why? I don't understand. Bye. Doesn't really work for me though, cause oh no, I can still open this. Yay! My inventory is full. Boo! Am I still being hit by something? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Um, equip that, and we will equip, nope, equip that. Look, I'm made of wood. Don't electrocute me. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, I'm getting away from here. We're gonna continue our skipping and enjoying. Running, skipping, enjoying. Woohoo! Hopefully making it to the other side of the bridge. Nice lightning. Okay. Just gonna calmly keep going forward. You know, that should work. Not what I was going for. And that was also not what I was going for. Again. There we go. Where was I going? I was going up there. That's where I was going. Oh, hello. Mr. Mighty with his stick. Just pick these up too. Lucky me. Okay. Looks like the thunderstorm's over, so I can equip a better weapon. Keep the shield though. You're gonna poke me, I'm gonna poke you back. Okay. Oh, here comes the rain again. And the lightning. Really? Why doesn't it electrocute them, huh? They got metal things. I figured out how to dodge. Look at me. Ow. Aw, and I died. And I was put right back into the middle of the thunderstorm. And I'm still wearing metal. Nope. Nope. All wood here, see? Wow! It was even bigger than the last time. That lightning does not like me. Oof. Let's get my apples back here. Alright. Well, before we make another attempt, I think we'll end it here and we will start this attempt in the next video. So, I thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye 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 bye.